Hi everyone, welcome to the session today on quantitative aptitude prelims mock test 4 discussion. So here question number 36 to 70 you have quantitative aptitude. The first question, please see, ratio of speed of boat in downstream and speed of stream is 9:1. If the speed of current is 3 km per hour, then find the distance traveled in upstream in 5 hours. So, see, speed of the boat in downstream is ds, which is x plus y. Speed of the stream is x minus y. This ratio is given as 9:1. 9:1. And speed of the current is 1 km. See, and when I take the speed of the current, so ds minus us by 2, ds minus us by 2 is how much? Y. So this y is already given as 3. So 9 minus 1. So please observe here, speed of current is given. Speed of current is given as 3. And find the ratio of the speed of the boat. See, now I am just doing very easier here. I don't want to make it complicated. Speed of the current is 3. So what would be downstream speed? Downstream speed. Tell me quickly. Speed of current is y. So y is given as 3. So thereby downstream speed would be, you will get 9 into 3, which is 27 km per hour. Okay. So x plus y would be 27. X plus y would be 27. So what x would be? X would be 27 minus 3, which is 24. So you have y as 3 and x as 24. So distance traveled in upstream in 5 hours. Distance is how much speed into time. So speed is here upstream speed. 24 minus 3. 21 into 3. So answer is 105 km. So answer is 105 km. Now sum of 4 consecutive even numbers are greater than 3 consecutive odd numbers by 81. Okay. And the least even number is how much? 59. Least even number is the sum of least odd number and the least even number is 59. Find the sum of largest odd and largest even numbers. So x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 are consecutive even numbers, and y plus 2, y plus 4, y plus 6. Y plus 2, y plus 4 are three consecutive odd numbers. Now it is given the difference. What is given? This sum and this sum. Difference is how much? 81. So if you simplify this, 4x plus how much? 12. 4x plus 12 minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 81. So I get 4x minus 3y is equal to 75. Sum of the smallest even, sum of the least odd and least even. Least odd is how much? Least odd is y, least even is x. So sum of x plus y is 59 given. So substitute and solve here. What you are going to get? You are going to get x as how much? 36 and y as 23. So x is 36, y is 23. Find the sum of the largest odd and largest even. Largest odd is x plus 6, 36 plus 6, and largest even is 36 plus 6. Largest odd is 5, y plus 4, 23 plus 4. What is the sum of these two? The sum of these two would be how? Am I correct? Am I correct or not? Find the sum of largest odd. So largest odd would be how much here? Here 69. I am going to get 69. 69. Okay. That's it. Next, two different amounts are invested in two schemes. Scheme A, an amount X is invested 8% per annum, and scheme B, X plus 1400 is invested at 12% per annum. After 2 years, the difference between the interest obtained from both the schemes is 880. 880. Then find the value of X. So it is simply X plus 400, X plus 1400 at the rate of 12% for 2 years, the interest received, and X at the rate of 8% for 2 years, interest received, is equal to how much given the difference? 880. So if you simplify this, how much you are going to get? 24x minus 16x, which is 8x. Now 24 into 1400. So what I am going to get here? I am going to get here x as how much? 88,000 minus 24 into 14. So I am going to get x as 6,800. X as 6,800 after simplification. 39 to 43. Given below the table that shows the number of books sold from 5 stores on 5 days. Okay, so study the table. What is the ratio of the total number of books sold from store D on Sunday, Monday and Tuesday? Store D, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Okay, 68 plus 74 plus 78. Together, the total number of books sold from store E on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. It is 90, 86 and 64. What is the ratio? 220, this is 260. This ratio is 11 is to 13. 2 11s are, 2 13s are. So answer is 11 is to 13. 11 is to 13. Now next. Number of books sold on Friday from store C and D increased by 15% and 20% respectively as compared to sold on previous day. So up to Thursday given, so C and D increased by 15% and 20%. In 40, 15% is 6, so it becomes 46. In 95, 20% is 19, it becomes 114. 114 plus 46 is 160. Okay, what number of books the stores C and D sold on Friday? So what is the answer here? 160. So answer is 160. Next, total number of books sold from store B on Tuesday and Wednesday together are what percentage more or less than total books sold from store C and D? So B on Tuesday and Wednesday. B on Tuesday and Wednesday are how much? 55 and 85. 55 and 85 are 140. And C and D together are Monday. C and D together on Monday, how much it is? 56 plus, am I correct? 36 plus 74, 110. So 140 is greater than 110 by how much percentage? So difference is 30 by base value into 100. So it is 3 by 11. 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11. 3 by 11 is 3 into 9 by 11, 9 1 by 11, which is 27 3 by 11. Next one. What is the average number of books sold by store on Sunday, C on Tuesday, E on Thursday? If I take those values, 89, 82 plus 84. Average means divide by 3. 171 plus 84, 255 by 3, 85 is the answer. So answer is 85. Next, find the difference in total number of books sold from C and E together on Tuesday, from store B on and from store B on Monday and Thursday together. So here C and E together on Tuesday. C and E together on Tuesday, how much? C and E together on Tuesday, 82 plus 90, 172. And B on Monday and Thursday together. B on Monday and Thursday together, it is how much? 57 plus 54, which is 111. What is the difference of these two? 61. So answer is 61. Answer is 61. Now 255, 230, 250. So decreasing, increasing. So I am taking alternate. 255, 250, 245. 230. So decreasing, 230, 235, 240. So answer is 240. Next, 5, 3.5. 5 becomes 3.5. Next, 3.5 becomes 5. 21.5 becomes, so what I can do here, see, 5 into 0.5, 2.5 plus 1 is 3.5. 3.5 into 1, 3.5 plus 1.5 is 5. So 5 into 1.5, 5 into 1.5 is 7.5. 7.5 plus 2, 7.5 plus 2 is 9.5. 9.5 into 2, 19 plus 2.5 is 21.5. This is the logic. So missing term is 9.5. 9.5. Now next. So it is divided by 0.5. It is not divided by into. 8 into 0.5. 4 into 1, this is into 2, this is into 4. So it has to be into 8. 32 into 8 would be how much? 256. So answer is 256. Next, if you see here, difference here it is 1, here it is 4, here it is 9, here it has to be 16. 115 minus 16 is 99. So perfect squares are the differences. So 99 is the answer. Next, 0.5, 1.5, 0.5, 1.5, 5, 1876. So I could see here 18 4s are 72 plus 4. 5 3s are 15 plus 3. So 0.5, 0.5 are no. So it is how much? 1.5 2 are 3 plus 2. So it is 0.5 1 are 0.5 plus 1. Finally it has to be into 5 plus 5. 380 plus 5. 385. Now next, average age of A and B 2 years ago was 26. So if the age of A 5 years hence will be 40 years and B is 5 years younger than C, find the difference of C. Here, if the age of A 5 years hence will be 40 years and B is 5 years younger than C, find the difference between A and C. So average age of A and B 2 years ago was 26. So now it is 28. Average 28. So sum is 28 into 2. 56. Okay, the age of A and B is how much? 56 at present. The age of A 5 years hence will be 40. So now it will be 40 minus 5, 35. Okay, so from this you can say B is 21. B is 21 and B is 5 years younger to C. B is 5 years younger to C. So C would be how much? 26. What is the B is 5 years younger than C. Find the difference between A and C. 35 and 26. The difference is 9. So answer is 9 years. Answer is 9 years. Next. Average of XYZ is 24. So sum is 72. X is to Y is 2 is to 3. X is to Y is 2 is to 3. And it is given X plus Y. 5 parts. 5 parts is 60. So each part is 12. So 2 parts is 24 and 3 parts is 60. 3 parts is 36. So X is 24, Y is 36 and Z would be how much? 24 plus 36, 60 and Z is 12. Now you need XZ. You need what? You need what? It is not XZ. It is actually X minus Z. Question wrong. You need to find out X minus Z. X is 24. Z is 12. 24 minus 12 is 12. So answer is 12 here. Next. Cost price of 2 articles are same. Shopkeeper got profit of 40% on the first article. So if the cost price is 5, profit is 2, selling price is 7. Okay, the selling price and cost price of 2 articles are same. The selling price of second article is same as selling price of second article is 25% less than selling price of first article. So then find the overall profit percentage on both the articles. So here it is given cost shopkeeper got a profit of 40%, 2/5 profit. So it is sold for 7. So what I am doing is I am taking it as multiple of 4, it has multiple of 4, it is multiple of 4. So now my cost price is 20, profit is 8 and my selling price is 28 for first article. Okay, and now if selling price of second article is 25% less than selling price of first article. So what is 25% less? 1/4 less. So it has to be 21. And the cost price is same 20. So profit has to be 1. So 1 on 20. 1 on 20 is how much? 1 on 20 is 5%. So answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. It is first article. It is second article. Okay. Now next. Length of a rectangle is 80% of diagonal of a square. Okay. Which area is 1225? So you can say now diagonal d square by 2 is 1225. So you will get d as 50. And length of the rectangle would be 80% of 50, which is 40. Now its perimeter is given as 94√2. Perimeter is 94√2 means 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. 40 plus B would be 94√2. So it is 247. So you will get B as how much? 47√2 minus 40. Am I correct? B is equal to, am I correct or not? I have got 2 into L plus B. So 2L plus 2B. 2L plus 2B is equal to how much? 94√2. So here length value have I already got 40. Am I correct or not? Length value, is it correct? Am I correct or not? 1225. 1225, I am wrong. I am wrong here. Here we are wrong. Here we did mistake. Area of a square. Area of a square is how much? D square by 2 is correct. But here we did mistake. Please see, area of a square is side square. Side square is given as 1225. So I got A has how much? 35. Then diagonal of a square would be root 2 into A. So 35 root 2. 35 root 2 would be diagonal. Okay. And length of rectangle is 80% of diagonal. 80% of diagonal. So what I am going to get now? 80% of diagonal means it is 80% of 35 root 2, which is nothing but 28 root 2. Now 2 into L plus B. 2 into L is 28 root 2 plus B is how much? 94 root 2. So now I am going to get 247s. Thereby 28 root 2, B is how much? 19 root 2. Then it is asked for area of the rectangle, L into B. So 28 into root 2 into 19 into root 2. You will get how much? It is 532 into 2, 1064. 1064 is the answer. So option D is correct. Now annual salary of Arun is 7.68 lakhs. If he spends 12,000 rupees on his children, so out of what? In a month, so 7,68,000 divided by 12, how much? 64,000 is monthly. Out of that, 12,000 he is spending. 12,000 is spending for children. 1/3 of the rest. Out of 64, what is remaining? 52,000. What is 1/3 of this? 14. 1/3 of the rest. 64 minus 12,000. He spent 12,000 on children. 1/3 of the rest on food. 1/3 of the rest on food, and 8,000 in mutual funds from his salary. Please understand clearly here. Annual salary is this much. So I have calculated monthly salary as 64,000. So here what he has given in a month if he spends 12,000 rupees on his children, 1/3 of rest on food. So after spending 12,000 from 64,000, the remaining is how much? The remaining is 52,000. On 52,000, 1 by 13. 1 by 13 means how much? It is 4,000. 1 by 13 means 4,000. And 8,000 in mutual funds. So 52,000 minus 12,000, the remaining is 40,000. The remaining is 40,000. Next. Now, questions based on simplifications 54 to 68. There are 15 questions. So, now see here, 40% of 120 is 48. So, 20 by 4 is actually 5. 5 into 24 is 120. Next, 2.5 plus 1.5 is 4. 3.5 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. Next. So 64 by 80. 64 by 80 means it is 0.8. 4 into 0.8 is 32. 32 means 7 plus 5 square. So answer is here question mark should be 5. 25% of 16 is 4. 4 into 64. 4 into 64 is 256. 4 into 64 is 256. So it has to be 64 means it has to be 4 cube. 15 minus 11 is 4. Next. 15% of 600. 15% of 600 is actually 90. So this has to be 600 means this has to be 0.6. 3% of how much is 0.6? 3% of 20. So it has to be 20 means it has to be 5. Next, 7 into 4 is 28, 43 into 5 is 215, 215 plus 28 is 243, 243 minus 49 is how much? 243, am I correct? 215 plus 243, 243 minus 49 is 194, 194, 194 is correct answer. Next, 3 1 by 3, 3 1 by 3 means 10 by 3 minus 3 square into 2 cube. Am I correct? Is it 3 square into 2 cube? I think not 3 square into 2 cube. It is 3 square by 2 cube. 3 square divided by 2 cube, which is 9 by 8. 9 by 8 into x is equal to 12 plus 5, 17 by 6. So if you simplify this, what you are going to get? 9x by 8 is equal to 17 by 6. This 20 by 6 minus 17 by 6 is 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. Thereby x should be how much? X should be, it will be 4 by 9. X should be 4 by 9. So answer is option C. Next, 6 into 8 is 48. Okay, 17 6 are. So 6 into 120, 6 into 20. So it has to be 20. It has to be 20. Next, now 10 square minus 17 plus 7 square minus 12 plus 2 cube. So 100 minus 17 is 83. 49 minus 12 is 37. So 83 plus 37. 120 plus 8, 128. So answer is 128. Am I correct or not? Right. Next, 13 5s are 195. 990, how many times? 999s are. 999s are. 195 minus 99. 195 minus 99 is 96. 400% of how much is 96? 24. 4 times of 24 is 96. Next, here is 2 power 6. It is 2 power 6, 2 power 12. So it has to be 2. It has to be 2. Next, %% of, so 2 square into 3 square is 36. 20 square percent of 36 is 7.2. 7.2 minus 2 is 5.2. So answer is 5.2. Next, 20% of 2250. 1/5 of 2250 is 450. 20% of 450 is 90. 90 minus 50 is 40. So answer is 40. Next, if you see here, I am applying the digital sum. So here what I am going to get? 6 plus 2 8. Otherwise you apply digital sum. Here 9 cancel, 9 cancel. Here 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 8 22 means 4. 22 means 4 here. Okay, 8 plus 8 16 plus 16 22 means 4. So here 3 plus 1 4 square is 7. 4 square is 16. 16 means 7 you are going to get. For 7 if you add 6, where you have digital sum 6 here, 501. 501 digital sum is 6. So the answer is 501. The answer is 501. Next, 14.2 percentage of 11,000 plus 15.6 percentage of, I can take the digital sum here also. Here if you see 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 means 5. 7 into 2 is 14 means 5. So it is 12 means 3. 3 into how much? Will give you 8. So 5 plus 3. So it has to be 1. Where you have digital sum 1 here. A is not the answer. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? 5, 9 cancel, 3 plus 5, 8. So here 1 plus 5 plus 6, 12 means 3. 3 into how much? So here digital sum 5. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 has to be 8. 5 plus 3 has to be 8. 3 means 3 into how much? 3 into 1 is 3. So which option has digital sum 1? Which option has digital sum 1? Am I correct or not here? 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 into 2, 14 means 5. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. 12 means 3. So this is 5. This is plus 3 into how much? 3 into, here digital sum has to be 8. Now, if you observe here, which option? 3 plus 1, 4. Yes. It can be 1 or 4 also. 3 into 4 also, you will get again 3 digital sum. So the answer is here 13,000. Because 4 plus, no, because you are not getting digital sum 1 anywhere. Nowhere, here you are getting digital sum 1 here. So you have to go through the procedure. Go through the procedure. Digital sum is not applicable here. One thing, 14 point, you can do very quickly. Okay, by 100, 2 zeros cancel. And 1 0, that point cancel. 142 into 11. 142 into 11 means 2, 6, 5, 1. 1562. Plus 15.6 percentage of, so this 1562, let us subtract from 3590. 3590 minus 1562 is 15.6 percentage of x. So what you are going to get this 3590 minus 1562 is 2028. 2028 divided by into 100 divided by 15.6 is how much? So if I take one more zero here, 156, how many times? 1 times 156. I will have more 46 3 times. So it is 1 3. So it will be 13,000. The answer is 13,000. Next one. A can do a work in 24 days. B is 20% more efficient than A. So A and B efficiency are in the ratio 5:6. Times taken will be in the ratio 6:5. So if he is taking 24 days, he will take 20 days. Right? C can do a work 10 more days than B. So C 30 days. Okay? Find days taken by A and C together to complete the work. So 24, 30, LCM is 120. He can do 5 in a day. He can do 4 in a day. So the total work 120 by 9. So 3, how much? 3 3s are 3 40s are. So it is 40 by 3 days. 40 by 3 days. Next question. The ratio of milk to water is 5:4. If 2 liters of water is added to the mixture, it becomes 10:9. So 5:4 milk to water becomes 10:9. 10:9. So observe here, 2 liters of water is added. Water is added, but milk is same. So I would like to make milk quantity same. So milk is not changed. So 10:8. Initially you have 18 parts. Now you have 19 parts. The extra 1 part is nothing but water added, which is 2 liters. If 1 part is 2 liters, then find the new amount of water mixture. New amount of water would be 9 parts. If 1 part is 2 liters, then 9 parts should be 18 liters. So answer is 18 liters. Okay, so I think we have completed. Done, right? So we have finished all our quantitative aptitude questions with this. Right. Thank you so much. Practice repeatedly on the sets. Thereby it will be comfortable for you to deal with the question paper. Okay. So